Hello everybody, so today we're going to be adding custom objects to our WoW server. First we're going to go to Google, type in gobject IDs, so gobject IDs. This first one by AC Web, I'll drop a link in the description below, don't worry. So here's a big long list of random items in World of Warcraft. Like barrels, anvils, forges, campfires, boats, you know, little buildings and decorations and tables and chairs, stuff like that. What we're looking for is these numbers right here. So let's get to the fun part where we start adding things into World of Warcraft. The command we're going to be typing is hit enter, dot gobject for GoObject, or gobject actually. It stands for gameobject. And then you can type in add after. And after that, you put in the number. So just like that, I added an anvil. You type in gobtar, just like that, to target it, and then you could go gobdel for delete, to delete the item. I'll do it a few more times so you can get the idea. I'll put all the commands in the description below. So here when you target any item, you get an ID, and you can use that ID to spawn more. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching.